Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to blur part of a video in CapCut. Whether you want to, blur someone's face or license or personal information, you can just do this by using CapCut. So to begin, select the video that you want to add. Okay, and then from here, then just have to tap on the effects and then click on video effects. Okay, and then from here, click on the lens and then choose the blur effects. So we need this to blur the whole video. So we'll then just have to drag the effects until it covers up the whole video. Okay, and then right after that, click on this arrow and then click on the overlay and then select the same video, so this one, and click on add. Now make sure that you have tap on the second video and adjust the size. And then use the options from the bottom and scroll to your right to look for the mask. And then select the rectangle and tap on the invert. Now adjust the size of the blur effects and then drag it to the part of the video that you want to get blur. So let's drag this one and then we'll try to play the video. But we're not finished yet because as you can see, the camera moves throughout the frame, but the mask stands still. So to resolve that problem is we have to go to the beginning of our video and tap on the second video. Okay, and then adjust it until you see the Lenovo text. Now click on the keyframes. Okay, and then use the bottom options and slide to your right until you see the mask and click on it. Now drag the blur effects to the text. Okay, and then adjust your video and then click on the keyframes again and then click on the mask and then move the blur effects. Okay, so you'll just have to do it one by one as long as you can still see the text or the plate number or the face or the part of the video that you want to get blur. You'll then just have to repeat this process. Okay, you'll just have to adjust the video, add keyframes, add a mask, and then move the blur effects. Okay, so let's try this here. Okay, so I'm just going to fix the beginning. Okay, and then click on the checked icon now. We'll try to see it. So as you can see, as the video continue to play, the blur effects continue to cover the text. So as long as you can still see the part of the video that you want to get blur, you'll then just have to repeat the process until you finish the video. Okay, so that's it. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials in the future. Bye bye.